What's up guys, it's Mikul here, and today we're going to be unboxing this Eero WiFi, which is a mesh system, which is basically there's the main Wi-Fi hub, and then there's beacons, which basically extend it's not like, it's similar to range extenders, but it's more capable and more efficient. So let's unbox this, see what's all about. Alright, so this is just packaging, I think. Yeah, let's quickly look at it though. So, yeah, basically the hub. There's 2 beacons in this one for 2 to 4 bedrooms. Let's cut right here because apparently there's something to open it with. So just stab right through. Stabbing your way through everything is how you do it, no matter what. Do that to peel the plastic off. So much plastic. Wasted plastic. Nobody likes wasted plastic because plastic is bad. Okay, so when that's all out of the way, let's open it from the top right here. Actually, no, here. So basically, it actually slides out. Fancy. No, it's not that fancy, but close enough. It's actually a pretty cool box. And more packaging. You have to waste your time. It's like an iPhone box. It's that annoying thing where you have to lift. Alright. Ooh. Okay, nice. So you got the welcome stuff, power, that's it. Ooh, it's actually smaller than I thought. Palm size, amazing. Slightly heavy. We got our USB-C and 2 Ethernet. One is for your modem and one is for anything else. You might need a Ethernet switch to expand the amount of ports you have so you can use for other things. There's that, San Francisco. Eero, you got the hub, so a little night light, and then also you can plug this in, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. Say another one. Gotta download the app, do it, cable. Alright, bunch of stuff. Interesting. So it's basically a mesh system where Wi-Fi is spread throughout the house more evenly than just a router, and it's more effective. So there's 2 companies, Eero and Orbi, the 2 leading ones, but Eero is more even throughout in terms of Wi-Fi strength. So this is our Eero set right here. We got the Eero on top of an 8-port Gigabit switch. The Eero only has a USB-C, and then we got the one connected to the modem, and then one that connects to whatever thing you want. And this we connected to a Gigabit switch, an 8-port one. Most routers have 4, but we got 8 ports because for future expansion. But you actually use one of the ports for Eero plugging it from your router, which is in this case the Eero, to the switch. So basically you have 7 extra ports, and it requires extra power for it to work. I'll put the link in the description for this one, and it worked really well for us. So, and also the Eero itself, we had original router was kind of bad compared to this, and because it's a mesh system, we have this one, and then the second beacon we actually never use. Only using 1 beacon. So, but this one has improved our Wi-Fi dramatically. Like originally you only get like 15 download speed, but now we get up to like 130s, 120s download speed in certain areas, and our upload is about like 15. But also it's mostly like overall like some spots inside and upstairs, and also outside you get around 30 megabytes download speed, but which is still pretty good even for outside or upstairs, even if you don't have an extra beacon. In some spots, yeah, you could get up to 100 plus of download speed, which is really good. So if your Wi-Fi if you have a high plan but your Wi-Fi is not good, Eero really helps. So this is something you can consider buying if you want better Wi-Fi. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.